My name is Adriana Vela L. Ferreira. I am 20 years old. I'll be on my third year college. I dream to become a certified public accountant. My parents won't be able to buy everything that I need in school because I also have my other siblings na ginapaskwela man, and as well as we have difference when it comes sa mga expenses sa school since I'll be on my third year college sa next year. If given the privilege, yes, I would really need help in terms of other expenses such as other allowances or mga school-related na mga needs, mga books, and other things pa din. I'm really beyond grateful to have the privilege and the opportunity to study, and if given the chance na mahatagan pa din sa further nga scholarship, i-take ko gid na siya or i-grab ko gid na siya ang opportunity para mas mag-mean better sa akong nga studies at the same time para i-take advantage kung ano man ang mga panghatag sa akon na magmayo ako na grades lang ako nga basta.